In this part, I'm going to list all the services that use Apache Spark, starting by the HD Insight, the Azure Databrix, the Synapse Analytics. I'm going also to define all these services.
Let's start by Apache Spark pool on Azure Synapse Analytics. Is that pool in Azure Synapse Analytics has Apache Spark capability embedded for organizations that don't have existing Apache Spark implementation yet. Apache Spark pool in Azure Synapse Analytics provide the functionality to spin up an Apache Spark cluster to meet data engineering needs without the overhead of the other Apache Spark platform. Data engineer, data scientist, data platform, expert, and data analysis come together with Azure Synapse Analytics, where the Apache Spark cluster is running quickly collaborating on a various analytics solution. The Apache Spark for Synapse. Apache Spark is an open memory optimized system for managing big data workload, which use when you want to Spark engineer engine for a big data processing or a data science. And you don't mind that there is no level argument provider to keep the services running. And usually it's an interest of open source professional and a reason for Apache Spark to overcome the limitation of was known the SMP system for a big data workload. Azure HD Insight is an implementation by Microsoft of Open Apache Spark. Managed on Azure platform, you can use HD Insight for Apache Spark environment when you are aware for a benefit of Apache Spark in OS form. But you want NSLE. The implementation is usually interest to open source professional needing NSLA and a data platform expert with a Microsoft product and a services. Azure Databrix is a managed Apache Spark as a services. Properly solution that provide end-to-end data engineer science platform. Azure Databrix is of interest for many data engineer and data science working on a big data project today. It provides a platform which you can create and manage a big data science project all on one